Among the issues decided next Tuesday, whether to amend Wisconsin's constitution regarding how bail is determined.
News 19's Roger Staffaroni is digging deeper into what could change as well as what current bond policy already covers.
The only reason you should be in custody is if you're a flight risk or you're absolutely a dangerous person and that they can prove that.
When Wisconsin voters head to the polls next week for the spring election, two questions may change how bail is considered. The first question would edit the current instruction. The accused person may be released under certain conditions meant to protect members of the community from serious bodily harm. The amendment passed would remove the word bodily and then allow the state legislature to determine what defines serious harm.
The legislature is just working on that issue. I know there's some proposals to change that, but for right now, bond is just to make sure people appear in court. It's not to punish them before they're sentenced.
The second question seeks to allow judges to consider an accused person's past convictions for violent crimes. Looking at La Crosse County, under current guidelines, high cash bonds are being assigned to individuals charged with serious crimes. Jackson Greengrass, a $20,000 cash bond, charged with attempted first-degree homicide. Joseph Gregoric, $100,000 cash bond on charges of attempted homicide and attempted sexual assault. And Naya Tao, charged with first-degree intentional homicide, cash bond $1 million.
The judges try to start from the presumption of innocence. These people have not been convicted of any crime, so to take away their liberty, there's got to be a pretty strong reason.
Those reasons may be the force amending the conditions of release after next week, Tuesday. From La Crosse, Roger Staffaroni, WXOW News 19.
If the conditions of release before conviction questions receive a majority of yes votes, it would usher in a modified list of what would be considered a violent crime.